Welcome to Fabtech 2025. I'm here with Osny Fabricio, who is the North American Sales Director of Universal Tool and Engineering, also known as UTE. They're doing some exciting work in laser cutting and tube bending that are shaping the future of manufacturing. So let's dive into it.
Universal Tool and Engineering has a legacy of 45 years of experience on fiber laser cutting and tube bending. The headquarters is located in Johnson City, Tennessee, where we have our engineering team and our supporting team. So our legacy, I would say, is also related with the majority of the laser cutting and tube bending business, with several different machines that you can see here on the back. Our customer base is a kind of a mid-sized customers. It's the forte that we have in a UTE, but we are also able to attend customers on the low-end size and the high-end size with different kinds of needs in terms of production, going to the lower standards to the higher standards in different kinds of sectors of the market. So currently we are attending customers that goes for an automotive, to aerospace, and could go for metal fabrication and contractors.
So the manufacturing space, especially in the tube bending, sheet laser, tube laser, it's extremely competitive. There's a lot of people out there. What is it that you feel like separates UTE from everybody else?
What truly put us apart on this scenario is the reliability of our products. So as I said before, our engineering team in Johnson City is able to instate or build the machines or rebuild the machines or even adapt the machines that we have for all the most demanding needs on the market. So if you think about reliability, and this is part of our strengths, we have a really, I would say, a comprehensive package that is not just about offering the solution, but also offering a reliable service and a reliable machine to demanding markets.
So UTE has strong American manufacturing roots. So how does that shape UTE to what it is today?
So American manufacturing to us is the foundation, because we are connected so deep with the roots of the manufacturing, the US manufacturing. And as you will be able to see this in our machines, because as I said before, our engineering team and our product team is engaged to provide the best-in-class solution in fiber laser and bending machines, following all the norms, all the regulations that we have in OSHA and etc. What put us apart as well from our competitors. What also add to that kind of not just being the sales point. We offer service, we offer training, we offer really high quality products, and this is part of the trust that we want to build with our customers. We want to build and expand with the manufacturer in the US.
Besides equipment sales, what kind of support does UTE offer to its customers?
Well, we believe that the commitment with our customers go far beyond that step of sales. So we are heavily investing in training, we are heavily investing in the communication between software and machine to make this extremely more user-friendly to our customers. Part of the training package that I mentioned before, what adds to the whatever warranty we were talking about, what adds with the price. So to us, it's much more than that. Our customers to us is a central point of everything that we do.
So for anybody that's looking to learn more about UT and what you guys offer from a solution standpoint, where can they go?
They could contact us through our website, www.universaltool.com, or they could contact us also through LinkedIn.